We have here the death energy, so you could be feeling that there could be something here that you feel like this is the end of a situation, this is something here that you do not want, or maybe your expectation failed about this specific situation. Just take how this resonates. This is general reading, but I do see that this is you. You could be thinking right now that, oh, this might be the end. I might not uh, get a positive outcome from this. It's like that's the energy that you're giving me. So let's keep moving. Angels and Spirit guides, thank you so much for being here with us. Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. Let's see more. We have here the Nine of Coins energy. So I do see that this is something here that you've been working, showing effort right here, that you are really interested in it, that you really love doing this. But I think you are seeing or you're feeling that this might be the end of this. So let's get other informations because I do not see that it is something here that I think that this is something here that you must not quit. In life, you just need to try and try. Okay? As long as God is stopping you on your shoulder, there's always a hope for everything. And of course, remove those negativities in your mind or in your thoughts, especially if you are trying to do something. Because those could be mountains or blockages right here. So let's see. Yeah, whatever that situation is, I do pick up that that is something here that you've invested a lot of effort, a lot of belief, a lot of hard work here. So I do pick up that this is something here that you find that this is a missed opportunity kind of thing. Okay. So let's find out what is this all about. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this other informations. Okay, there could be something here that makes you upset right now or recently. There could be a situation right here that had happened. Just take how this resonates because this is timeless. So I do pick up that this is you feeling upset about something here. So there could be a situation right here that you could had this type of feeling like you're upset, like you doubt yourself here, you doubt your skills, you doubt here something about yourself. So let's keep moving to get more information here. So let us lay all the energies first on the table before we start talking more about this. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Six of Swords to the Chariot card right here. Okay. Beautiful. So, before we start, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Sian. I'm from the Philippines, and to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender right here, and of course, this is timeless as well. So, just take only what resonates here with you, guys. So, I do pick up that we have this Six of Wands energy and there's this Five of Coins, which is an indication right here that there could be some kind of a situation wherein you want to win from that type of situation. Might be a contest, okay? Because there could be people or other people involved in this type of situation here. So there could be a competition, there could be a contest here. Maybe you joined a contest, any contest would do, art contest right here, cooking contest, whatever that is that you find really interesting. I think you've joined that contest. For others, if that's not a contest right here, maybe there's a promotion that you've been eyeing, and maybe there are also other people who also want to be promoted like you. So there could be a competition right here, and you feel upset because I do pick up that with this Five of Coins energy, Two of Swords right here, Five of Cups. It looks like this is you. You were not being chosen, okay, for that position or designation here, like this is you, you feel upset because you are not being chosen. Maybe you are just a runner up if this is a contest, and you are wanting here to get that gold medal or to get that champion title here, but it looks like you are upset here about something because you did not won. So whatever situation is this, you do have here a specific situation. So just take only what resonates with you guys. But I do see that this is you. You're kind of sad. You're upset right here. And you came to a point that you doubt yourself. You doubt your skills. If you are really smart, you are really intelligent, you are really um someone here that can really do this or not, whatever that is, you doubt yourself. So I do pick up that this is you. You're having right here competition with other people, but at the same time, you are having here an inner battle that you need to conquer within you. So it looks like this situation here is something that you are really interested. So this is appearing here as something that you really want to do. So whatever that is, I think it is your dream to join that contest, or it is your dream to get that position or title or designation or recognition or whatever that is, okay? So this is something here that makes you feel sad or feels down right now, but for some reason, your person with the Knight of Swords energy, Eight of Wands right here, Ace of Cups, your person right here, you could be already connecting here with someone, could be your boyfriend already, your girlfriend already, your husband, your wife, or someone here that you're connecting in a very heart space level. I do see that this person here is always to the rescue, making you happy right here, doing everything that he or she can to be able to help you come out from that feeling upset, feeling sadness over here. This person here, for some reason, he or she has this power to make you happy instantly. So I do see that this person here is someone who can definitely change your mood from being upset to being happy right here instantly. Because whoever this person is, I do pick up that this is someone here also special to you. For others of you, this could be someone here like a friend. But if it is a friend with the Ace of Cups energy, High Priestess, I do pick up that this friend of yours is hiding this love for you. Yeah, secretly in love with you. So whoever that friend of yours is, I do pick up that for this person, you are not just a friend, you are someone here that he or she wants to be in a relationship with, but for some reason I think this person here is hiding his or her emotions and feelings for you. But for some of you guys, this is someone here that is your boyfriend or girlfriend already. So I do pick up that this person here is always to the rescue, and this person here is always wanting to make you really feel light, to make you happy right here. That's the energy. So I'm picking up that this person here will eventually turn your mood into something positive with the sun energy. And this person here, for some reason, you really cannot deny the fact that this person really can change your mood. Yeah. So you're considering this person here your happy pill. So whoever this individual is, I do pick up that this is someone here that heals or can heal your situation instantly. So this person here can definitely light up your mood instantly, and you will soon recognize in the future with the Six of Cups energy, Six of Swords, and there's this Chariot card right here that you really want to keep this person here for life. So you will realize more that you want to keep this person here uh, to move things forward in your life. You will realize more that you need this person here in order for you to move forward quickly in your life's journey. So I do pick up that you are considering this person here as someone you truly needs. So I do not know who this person is exactly in your life, but I do see that you are treating this person here someone who is really special for you, and you want to make things to move forward here together with this person, not because you need him or her to move forward with your dark situations or with the challenges that you're facing, but because this is you. You also see this person here as somewhat special. And if it is a friend that is just hiding his or her emotions and feelings for you, there is a high chance that your connection right here will change from being friends to becoming lovers right here. So I do see that there's a potential that your connection will eventually grow, and your feelings and emotions will grow deeper and deeper. So yeah, I do pick up that if this is your person already, like your boyfriend, girlfriend, your husband, your wife right here, this person already knows to how to make your mood change, how to make you happy. It's like this person here already knows what are the things that makes you happy and what are the things that will definitely light up your day. So this person here will eventually do that right away after seeing you being upset about something. So this person here already knows you for quite a long time already, or this person here already knows you very well. Okay? This person here knows already how you behave, what are the things that you love, what are the things right here that makes you feel uh happy, what are the things that make you laugh. So I do pick up that this person here knows everything about you, and he or she will definitely use those informations to light up your mood. So whoever this individual is, I think this person here will consistently do everything right here to change your mood right here from negative to positive. So for some reason, I really do say that this person here, um it's like magic that you also cannot explain. Okay, how can this person can easily change your mood? And I think it's all about love. Wow, love. Love is so powerful right here that you can definitely smile right away or instantly laugh over here just because of this person here. Yeah, whoever this person is, he or she is the only one who can do that. Yeah. And I do see that this is someone here that you consider as someone who you need in your life. So I don't know who I'm really talking to right now, but you've got someone here right beside you who will always be there for you and who will always be to the rescue to light up your situation. This person here always bring that light in your struggles, in all of the obstacles right here that you're facing. This person here always gives you that light for you to be able to follow it and get out from that situation. So clearly, this person here loves for you. This person is holding that big chalice of love for you. Okay, and I do pick up that this person here is somewhat who is consistent, and you know that I do see. So whoever this individual is, I think this is someone here who has this strong spirit. This is someone here for some reason could be independent, might be living away from his or her own family, maybe because of his or her work, or just adulting part, okay, of his or her life. So this person here could be, living alone or all by himself or himself. So whatever the case may be, that might be a specific situation here for someone watching, but just take only what resonates. I do see that if it is a friend, and this person here, your friend, is secretly in love with you, I do pick up that this person here is already feeling that, okay? Since you were young, if you are friends with this person already, since you were young, or I do pick up that school days is also being pointed out from here. So maybe this is your classmate and you became friends. So this could be someone here you could be uh, together already during your elementary days, high school days, middle school days, or whatever that is, college days. Okay, so for others of you, whoever this individual is, even though this is not a childhood friend, but still, someone who is a friend to you, I do pick up that this person here is hiding his or her emotions and feelings for you. But this person will continue to show you, okay, with his or her actions, that he or she will always be there for you. And I think that is something here that you will see, okay, and that you will create this type of different perspective towards this person, because you will find yourself slowly falling in love with this friend of yours. So I'm seeing that you are someone here, okay, who is literally moving uh, towards in the right pathway of your life. This person here is someone who is your number one cheerleader, and this person here is your number one supporter. So even though if this is a contest right here that you did not won the champion title, or that you are just a runner up, whatever that contest or whatever that competition is for this person, you are the number one. You are not just a runner up, but you are the champion. So I think that's what's important here. And this person here, I think this person here believes in your skills, that you can definitely achieve whatever it is that you really want to achieve. Okay? That you can definitely be someone here who will be successful in whatever it is that you want to take or you want to pursue in your life. So this is your number one believer right here, and he or she also wants you to believe in yourself for you to be able to achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve, your dreams, goals, or target plans in your life. So I think you've got someone here, okay, who always cheers you up, and this person here always believes in you, that you really have all the things and all the tools that you need in order to be successful in whatever it is that you want to do. Wow. So you've got someone here who is always to the rescue, especially when you are feeling down or you're feeling here something wrong about your mood, something negative situations right here that you're dealing with. You've got someone who is always there for you. So yeah, for some reason I'm picking up that this person here could be, a favorite color, or maybe he likes the color blue. Okay, light blue to be exact. So maybe that specific color here, maybe his or her favorite. So just take only what resonates, guys. And this person here loves photography. So maybe it doesn't have to be that he or she is a photographer, but I do see that this person here could be somewhat who is sentimental, wants to keep memories right here, like might be into scrapbook, or maybe he or she is someone who keeps photos in his or her phone, or in a photo album right here, someone who loves taking pictures, okay? And this person here finds it really comfortable, especially night time. So I do not know who I'm picking up really, but those could be signs and clues that this person here is someone that you're thinking right now. So thank you so much, collective. Love and light.